Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Hello students, welcome to class of social science. Today we are going to continue with our history chapter 4 national movements in India. In my last lecture I explained you many of the revolutionary activities, okay, and many of the events which occurred in past. Now today also we are going to study many other movements, okay, slowly which led to our independence. Now first we are going to study about Khilafat movement. All of you know students, in First World War, okay, Turkey helped Germany, okay, and England was on the opposite side. And when England won, okay, when England won in the First World War, they imposed strict rules on Germany and Turkey also. Okay, strict rules were imposed on the Turkey Muslims. The head of the Turkey, okay, Khalifa, he was also the head of all the Muslims. So when strict rules regulations justice was done in Turkey, so Muslim residing in India, Muslims जो इंडिया में रह रहे थे, they were against this all strict rules and all that. They strictly opposed that in India. Rallies were taken out, all that against the Britishers. And this movement came to be known as an Khilafat movement. And Gandhiji strongly supported the Muslims. Okay, he also supported because he wanted to have Hindu-Muslim unity. उन्हें Hindu-Muslim unity चाहिए थी, so he supported the Muslims in this movement. This Muslim movement came to be known as Khilafat movement. After that, non-cooperation movement. Non-cooperation, okay, in Nagpur conference, the permission was given for this non-cooperation movement, which main aim was to have complete Swaraj, complete independence. Okay, अभी उनको इंडिया पूरा complete free चाहिए था, नहीं सिर्फ के पार्लियामेंट या लेजिस्लेटिव में सीट्स. They wanted complete freedom in India, and so this non-cooperation movement was started. Non-cooperation का मतलब क्या होता है स्टूडेंट? किसी भी चीज़ में cooperate नहीं करना. Okay, we did not wanted to have, गांधी जी नहीं चाहते थे कि हम weapons वगैरह लेके ब्रिटिशर्स से fight करें, but he decided to start this movement that they will not cooperate British in any of their work, and this was named as non-cooperation movement. It had both constructive, you can say positive aspects and negative aspects. Positive aspects, okay, इसमें अच्छा क्या हुआ? In this what happened? All of them boycotted the foreign goods. Foreign goods को हमने boycott किया, तो Indian goods, okay, Indian khadi, Indian goods, khadi, clothes, they come forward. Even people left the schools and colleges, Britishers, so Indian schools and colleges came upward. They were established. So these were the constructive aspect. Even 1 crore rupees were collected for Swaraj Fund, Tilak Swaraj Fund. 1 crore rupees was collected. Now इसके negative aspects क्या थे? Negative aspects ये थे कि student left their studies, they boycotted English education, English universities, colleges. Even many of them left their English jobs. They left the jobs from resigned from courts, from local self-government. All these courts they left and joined this movement. This was negative aspects. Now programs of this movement. Yani what happened how it started? What happened in this movement? Firstly, Gandhiji and Rabindranath Tagore, they gave their honored titles of Kesre Hind and Knighthood. उनको ये title दिया था ब्रिटिशर्स ने, उनको honor किया था. They returned. Even many other leaders also left their all the honors, their positions, okay, and joined this non-corporation movement. And secondly, all the foreign goods, okay, they were boycotted. Even a bonfire was made and all the clothes and foreign things were burned in it. जो भी foreign की चीज़ें थी, बीच में bonfire बना के, fire बना के उसमें सब डाला गया. And Indian goods, okay, Indian goods were accepted, so Indian industries came on, and even Britishers they had a shock. Okay, their industry was badly affected by all this. As students boycotted the foreign education, उनकी universities left कर दी. So Indian universities, okay, national universities were established at Gujarat Vidyapeeth, Kashi, and many more places. As I told you, 1 crore fund was collected for Swaraj Tilak Fund. So all these were the movements of this non-corporation. Now, after that one incident happened, Chauri Chaura. Because of this non-cooperation movement came to an end. What happened, students? A place as I told you, national education was given importance. So English people, Hindi was given more importance. Okay, instead of English, बीच में ऐसा दौर आया था कि English was given importance, but now again Hindi language was given more importance. People, they came to because of this non-cooperation, people came to aware about their political rights. उनको अपने political rights पता चले. Okay, they readily joined these movements. They were ready for any punishment, लाठी चार्ज, imprisonment, whatsoever. Even children and women. Okay, children and women भी बाहर आए and they also joined this movement. Even what happened because of this movement, many of them were political rights. They came to aware about this political rights and all this. And this movement was not only left in the cities, but it spread in villages also. Village is the key movement. This awareness came about in people that we have to find. They had a faith in independence. लोगों का विश्वास हो गया कि अभी हमें independence मिल सकता है. Okay, so they were aware of this and they started fighting for this because of this non-cooperation movement. Now, Swaraj Party. Okay, as this non-cooperation movement was went through, okay, Motilal Nehru and Chitranjan Das, they both established their in Swaraj Party. Okay, उन्होंने ये भी अलग पार्टी बनाई, named it as Swaraj Party, because they wanted to get the seat in central legislative and provincial legislative. Okay, because of that this party was established and elections were held in November and this party got a huge number of votes. उन्हें काफी सारे votes मिले except in Bengal, and Motilal Nehru and Chitranjan Das, they get the seats in central legislative and provincial legislative को seats मिली, and as soon as they got the seats, they demanded, they rejected the budgets of British. उनको अभी power मिल गया, they got the seats क्योंकि अपनी पार्टी आ गई. Okay, so they rejected the budgets of British and they forced them to have the budget in which the people were not ignored. Welfare of people was given the importance. Okay, secondly Simon Commission जो 2 साल के बाद recommended हो रहा था, it was considered to be earlier. Simon Commission we are going to study in detail about next chapter. And what happened afterwards? They were politically ruling. This party was getting good success, but after the death of Chitranjan Das, okay, he died, party became weak. Many of the important leaders left the party. Okay, so finally when next elections were there, this did not get much votes and this party was completely weaker. Okay, so these were all the national movements we studied in this chapter. In our next chapter also we are going to study about further movements and how finally we got the independence that we are going to study in our next chapter. We complete your chapter here. Your today's homework, as we are regularly giving, they write about this Khilafat movement, non-cooperation movement and this Swaraj Party in your classwork and submit to your concerned teacher. Thank you. Have a nice day.